Hey guys, this is Mr. H. This is question 28 from the June 2025 Regents exam. It's an arithmetic sequence. They give us two terms. They're not next to each other. They're not consecutive terms, but it doesn't matter. As long as we have two terms, strategy number 5 says that anytime they give you two terms, I think it's strategy 5, it might be strategy 8, but anytime you're giving two terms or 2 points, you can always use the spreadsheet to come up with the equation. It's either going to be a linear function or exponential function. From there, once you come up with a function, you can find out what the output is going to be. So let's do that. So um, right here, I've said first term is a negative 20, fourth term is a negative 2. So all I'm going to do is go to the spreadsheet. I already got those answers or enter. I'm going to come here and then I'm going to put the x Y. All right, it's 2 points. We know it's linear because it's arithmetic sequence. And then I'm going to do menu 4, 6, 1. Now here's the equation. Now I'm going to take this equation and I'm going to graph it and I'm going to find what the output is when the input is 8. So I'm just going to go menu 44, menu 44. All right, and then I'm just going to type this in. So this is 6x minus 26. Press, oops, not 36, 26. Press enter. Now, this function is now ready to be graphed. So if you go up to F1, there it is. It's a linear function. Actually, it's a sequence, but I'm treating it like a linear function. And then I'm just going to enter I do menu 51, and I want the 8th term. I could also use the table. I kind of prefer this. So it tells me that the output or the Y value or the 8th term, the value is 22. So the way that I would write this up to make sure I got full credit is that I would say, okay, I found the equation 6x, what was it? 6x, what was the equation? 6x minus 26. And then I just found the output. So when this is 8, when this is 8, this will be 48 minus 26, which is equal to 22. Or you could just say I graphed it and I looked in the table and I saw when x was 8, y was 22. Oh, I thought I was writing that stuff down. All right, so here's what I was writing down. I wasn't showing you. But yeah, that's all you're doing. Once you come up with the equation, y equals 6x minus 26, you can graph it and then use the table or menu 51. So Control T would also work. Just go down to 8 and you see that the output is 22. All right, I think I killed this one. All right, so I'm going to stop and post.